If you want to measure a distance in Google Maps on your smartphone, the best is to click and hold on an empty location. You can see dropped pin. Scroll down and find Measure Distance here. Click there. Now you can see the current distance of your second point here in the bottom. Finally, just click on the cross to go back. At the time of recording this video, this measure tool does not always show up in every point. For example, in this hotel, because it has a lot of information, the tool is not showing here. So have this in mind if you cannot find it. However, in towns, the measure tool is usually there. Let's scroll down. Aha! Here it is, Measure Distance. In the computer, the Google Maps app does not have any measure tool, but you can use instead the Google Earth, which was a revolution when Google launched it for the first time. So, if you type the term in the search bar, it's usually in the first option. OK, now to see the globe without creating any project, we have to go here and click in Explore Earth. Nice, so these are the Azores Islands. And now I want to measure a distance between 2 points. It's easy. Go to the rule symbol on the top. Then we have to choose a first point here. And then for the second point, let's go to this town called Velos. And click. OK, now in the right panel you can see, apart from the length, which is almost 20 kilometers, more information like the elevation estimate and the elevation profile graph, which is quite interesting. Look, that for such a relatively short distance, the depth of the sea drops to more than 1000 meters. Then we can also change the units of these parameters. For example, if I click on length, I can choose from all these. So let's change it to nautical miles, which is more appropriate here. And when you finish, you can click on the cross or Save to Project if you want to save this file to your Google Drive account. Then, when you will access it again, this distance is shown on your file. So, if you are interested in watching more tutorials about Google Maps, you can find the playlist in the description of this video. So, thank you and see you in the next occasion.